Welcome to Spring LIB.
Here the question is, synthesize each compound from benzene, A, B and C. So one by one we are preparing each compound from benzene. A is the compound. Whenever you are synthesizing this kind of compound, first of all you have to remember that what are the groups present in the compound. Look at the molecule carefully, molecule of the product, and start making it. So while making, starting from benzene, you have to see the nature of the group present in the product and whether they are meta-directing or orthopara-directing, and accordingly you will decide the priority, how to introduce and at which step. So here the first step is Friedel-Crafts reaction, that is alkylation, and by that ethyl group we are introducing. So for that we need CH3, CH2, Cl in presence of aluminum chloride anhydrous, and by that the product which is formed is ethyl benzene. After that, in the next step, we are doing the same Friedel-Crafts reaction, but here it is acylation. So by that CH3 C double bond O group is introduced in the molecule. So this is also chloride, acetyl chloride is taken in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, and the product will be benzene ring. Then ethyl group is already present, and it is orthopara directing. So one of the expected product is this one. At the para position you can get the acetyl group, and after that in the next step we are doing the sulfonation. So sulfonation is with the help of SO2 and H2SO4, and you must get the final product by now. It is orthopara directing ethyl group and meta directing C double bond O group, CH3. So most probably SO3H group should come over here by both this. So this is the compound which is formed. Now come to the next one. B compound you have to make starting from benzene. So here B is this compound starting from benzene. Benzene, here also you are taking care of that point, that what is the nature of the group which is needed in the product. and accordingly you are deciding the priority. So here meta positions are present, that is why meta directing group should be introduced first, and for that acetylation by Friedel-Crafts reaction. So CH3 C double bond O Cl in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, and by that acetophenone is formed. Here ethyl and Br both are actually orthopara-directing. That is why we have to introduce meta-directing group by acetylation. So here by this you are getting the acetyl group COCH3. Once this is formed, this is acetophenone. Once it is formed, after that you are doing the bromination by bromine and FeBr3. And at the meta position, you are expecting now Br. So C double bond O will be here, CH3, and Br should be at the meta position. After this, we need actually ethyl group here in place of acetyl group. So any reduction you can do, you are doing here Clemens-Sand reduction. So that is zinc and mercury in presence of HCl. And by that the final product which is formed is the required product, that is CH2, CH3 and we are at meta position. So this is Clemens-Sand reduction. Double M should be here. Reduction. Very important reduction, by that CO can be converted to CH2. So we are getting the final product B here, starting from benzene. Now come to third product C, and for that again take care of CHO and Cl and see the nature of the compound and decide the priority, how to introduce them. So in the C, starting from benzene, first is by ethylene oxide and aluminum chloride, you are introducing this group in the molecule. CH2, CH2, OH, 2-phenyl ethanol. is formed. And after that, in the next step, halogenation. Chlorine in presence of FeCl3. So the compound formed is CH2, CH2, OH, and halogen at para position. After that, you are doing the controlled oxidation. And the final product will be, by complete oxidation, CH2OH group can be converted to COH. So by controlled oxidation, you can get CHO group, aldehyde group here, and halogen will remain as such at the para position. So this is the final compound which is formed. Third product is formed, and it's all.